Alright, so right now we'll be exploding a fart bomb, which I bought online from dealextreme.com. You guys should check it out. They have free shipping, so it's a pretty good deal. Except they ship from Hong Kong and they take 2 weeks. Alright, so my brother will explode this fart bomb right now. He explodes it by pressing it together. There's a packet of liquid inside here, so he breaks a packet and it mixes with the powder on the outside the packet. So as you can see, there's a bubble inside here. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna pop it, and then he's going to throw it right there. All right, and it makes a really loud noise. So yeah, let's try it. He seems to be having a bit of difficulty. So actually, alright, so no, he has to do it. One finger here, one finger here. To get a hose on. For God's sake, is it really this hard? Do you want to do it?
No.
No, you don't? Alright, I'll attempt to do it one hand, see if I can. Oh. That was pretty loud, wasn't it? So, here's the remainders. Seems to be bubbling right now. Oh man, it smells like shit. Honestly, can you smell it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go back inside. Let's go back inside. Let's take this with us. Alright, let's throw in the garbage can. Can you lift up the garbage lid for me, please? Now the whole garbage can will stink. So right now we're going to put it in a